Okay, so I'm already in the mix of cleaning. I know this vlog is gonna kind of be like abrupt, but I just put the boys down for a nap and I want to go ahead and finish cleaning. I don't know why, but whenever I'm stressed, I like to clean, especially like what's going on right now in the world. So I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I've been suffering a lot from anxiety and I've been getting a little bit depressed because of what's going on. So I'm just trying to stay busy. So yeah, I planned on doing like a chit chat, get ready with me, but I'm just honestly not in the mood. My mind is kind of racing a lot. So I'm gonna finish what we have here. All of this is stuff that was meant for the boys' Easter egg basket. Hopefully we can still celebrate Easter. I know that yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. It didn't even feel like a holiday, or didn't even feel like anything, honestly. So that's a little bit sad. But originally I was looking for one of my keychains. I can't find it, so I just decided to clean up the whole area because it has been really packed and nasty, and we just got a new puppy, so I'm trying to clean that. That's what this blanket here is for. So it's gonna be kind of like a speed cleaning, just something to kind of keep my mind off things, and hopefully this helps keep your mind off things too. And here we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and like declutter most of my clothes. I have about an hour until I wake up the boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. My hair is like super weird right now. I didn't put any product in, so it's kind of like, and is going through this weird phase because I did dye my hair blue. I damaged my hair, okay? Flat the fuck out. I damaged my hair, so my curl pattern is not like the best. If you knew me when I was a kid, you would know that I had like really tight spirally curls, and yeah, so we're dealing with that. I want to go ahead and declutter my closet. I've been thinking about doing so for a little while now. I'm hoping that I have enough battery and memory to go ahead and do this because my battery is dying and I don't know how much memory I have in my memory card. I lost the new memory card that I fucking bought, and not only did I lose the new memory card, I still lost all 4 of my other memory cards at the old house. I never found them when I was moving, so I have no idea where they fucking are. I know my kids got a hold of them, and I'm pretty sure Zachariah flushed it, so that's fun. We're having so much fun. So I want to go ahead and do that. Before I do, I want to make like a little quick announcement. I am going to be like uploading a lot more just so that I can keep my mind off of things, and also so that you guys can also keep your mind off of things. I have made another channel called Paint with Krystal, and I really wanted to go ahead and do, let me just say, it sounds so weird me saying my own name, Krystal, like, oh, I hate that name. Anyways, I went ahead and I did that because one of my getaways is art, so I've been painting a lot, like 2 to 3 paintings a day. I love painting. I'm more of a painter rather than a sketcher, but it used to be the other way around. When I used to go to school, I did take a lot of art classes. Even in high school, I took art classes, and my preferred art genre, or whatever you want to call it, was realism. So I did a lot of realism, but now I'm more into like landscape, abstracts, kind of just whatever the fuck I want, basically, you know what I mean? So yeah, so I did make another channel called Paint with Krystal. I don't have the Krystalscouture Co channel anymore. It's basically where I was doing like all these planner videos. The reason why I don't have it is because I don't always stay with my planner. So in this channel here is beauty and lifestyle. So anything beauty, anything lifestyle, that includes makeup, hair, unboxings, minimalism, everything. So for example, this declutter video is going to be on my main channel because it's beauty and lifestyle. But I'm also going to be incorporating just planner videos here and there because that is kind of like lifestyle-ish. I mean, it's not really, but I'm just going to put it into that category. So you will be seeing that as well, and I will go ahead and start maintaining my planner Instagram, which is Krystalscouture Co, just to go ahead and maintain with that. But I kind of feel like if I were to just keep all 3 channels, like I would go ballistic. It's a little weird right now because I've been home. Normally I am at school, the kids are at school, Wes is working, but now it's just like I'm home. What the fuck is this lady doing? I think this lady lives over here and her family is my neighbor, because she's literally just walking outside with her kids, just out and about, leaving one of them way behind. Like, I don't know. Right, we're still quarantined, obviously. If you didn't know, now you know. US. Yeah. So I just wanted to go ahead and mention that really quick. If you have any ideas on what I should do, let me know. I just didn't want to combine art into this channel because I didn't want it to be like too mismatch, which it kind of is right now. I kind of want it to be cohesive and what's the word? I don't like the word niche, but I want it to kind of be like all together, you know what I mean? Like I want this channel to be beauty and lifestyle, and I've kind of been slacking on the beauty portion, but trust me, I'm gonna go ahead and do that again. And then I made Painting with Krystal for my art channel. I will go ahead and start linking it in the description box. I'm not sure if that's going to remain the name, but just if you guys are interested in like anything like painting, speed painting, anything to kind of just like clear your mind, it really helps with my anxiety and it might help with yours. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my closet. Let me go ahead and show you guys it, and don't judge me. So this is my closet. It's a lot smaller than my other one. I had my own walk-in closet at the other house, and now I'm having to share with Wes, so that's fun. So I'm going to be going through all of these drawers here. So those are my clothes. This is where I keep my makeup, and that right here is where I keep like weird shit. I do want to get another one of these because it is kind of overflowing, but I am trying to keep it minimalist, so that's why I'm like kind of like going like holding off on it. And then I also have another one of those that holds my art supplies, which you guys had seen whenever I was cleaning like my little area right here. I'll show you really quick. So this is where I keep all of my art supplies, and again, I keep it close to me just because it's something that I find myself doing a lot. I have my clothes hung up as well, but the weird thing is that it goes all the way back there. But what the hell, like how are you supposed to see all the way back there? So what I want to do is declutter all of this stuff in here, and then maybe fold these to kind of like fit into here. We'll see how it goes. And then lastly, I'll go ahead and clean all of this area here. So I want to go ahead and get started on it. Don't judge me again. Okay, so I was able to fit everything into here and move all the clothes back. Basically what I did was I put the skirts and the dresses in the front, and then cardigans and sweaters in the back because it's already summer and it gets hot here in Texas, so I'm not really going to be needing those for now. So those are in the back, but I do have like my crop jackets and stuff. Okay, so these are all the hangers that I have now, which is a freaking lot, but my husband needs them anyways. And then these here are like the crop sweaters. I'm actually gonna get rid of this one too. So I have like the cropped ones here. I do have a couple of normal length ones, but these are kind of like my go-to, like the so cropped, and then my go-to lightweight jackets. And then I do have these two here because they're also lightweight, but I normally don't use it. And I figured that this right here I could wear with the matching bottom. I haven't worn it in years, guys, but my goal was to clear this part out. I did it. I was able to put them in here. I just folded them like the Kamari method and just put them in here. And these are the clothes that I'm going to be getting rid of and seeing if any of my friends want them. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and donate them. So yes, tomorrow I will go ahead and work on decluttering the actual closet and reorganizing it. I also have a bunch of bags up here that I really don't need, but those are my favorite. I decluttered a lot of bags, believe it or not. So that's it for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this stuff up, put it in the garage so that we can go ahead and drop it off and move on. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this little declutter of my closet and kind of cleaning up this area too. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.